Hello guys, I am Zasari, and as you can see behind me, I fucked up.
Okay guys, so in the last video I have started rebuilding my father's car that I crashed, and today we are gonna finish it. So in the last video we have rebuilt all the mechanical stuff and replaced the airbag, so in this video we are gonna finish this build. And guys, if you haven't seen the last video, go watch it before seeing this. So before starting with this video, I want to do a big shout out to my friends. This is his Instagram, go follow him. So we start this journey preparing all the pieces for the paint job. So I started sending out the fender. In the same time my friends tried to save the bumper. He welded it, sanded it, and then he put some Bondo. Then we cleared all the pieces with some anti-silicone. After that we applied the primer. And we repeat the process for the other pieces. Then after the Bondo dried, we repeat the same process for the bumper.
So I was sick the past few days, so today I'm gonna restart rebuilding the car. This day my friends cleaned my headlights because he has to do the same job at the Ford Focus. So now I'm gonna install the airbags.
So after some minutes I managed to successfully install the airbag. Then I plugged the car in and clear all the fault code.
So let's push the clutch. Nothing happens. The car will start. Why? I don't know what the problem is. Shit. So why this car does not start right now? I probably know why. One of my friends' idea, Jaden idea, was that as long as it doesn't work anymore, we have to take this out. And so I think that it was connected to the start ignition. So without this, the car does not start.
So after not so much time I figured out what was wrong and how to start the car. So then I drove it to my friend's house. As you can see, the next morning we prepared the door in order to have the car ready to be painted. Then it was time to prepare the paint station. But before starting painting we had to remove the wire loom inside the door. At the end we prepared the paint and we were ready to start. So we start with bumper, and as you can see we are not a professional painter, so we try to do our best. I hope you enjoy the result. I think they are not too bad. And you can see after painting the pieces we put them indoor so they can catch as little dust as possible. This is the biggest problem of painting outdoor. Then we repeat the same process for all the pieces. Then we applied the clear code and the results were astonishing, much better than I expected. And guys, if you have come so far in this video and you haven't clicked yet, please click that subscribe button right now. Help me reach 8,000 subscribers for the end of the month. Please help me. Now continue with the video. Then we had to fix another problem. Remember the pieces we take off in the last video? Yes, that one. So we decided to repair it. So we welded a first sheet of metal, then we cut another one, we molded it, and we welded it too. Then we put some Bondo and spray paint it with the grill that we forgot the last time. Then it was finally the time to reassemble the car. But then we discovered that the bumper was not sitting properly because of the Bondo, so we had to grind it. Luckily it was a quick fix. Then it was time to work on the door side, where we have a little more to do. So we start screwing the kick plate in, because now it was the only way to mount it. So we install the door and check the clearance. And look how beautiful the car is now compared to what we have when we start. So guys, now that we are almost at the end of this journey, I want to thank you for everything you have done for me so far. So guys, stay tuned until the end of the video to finally see my father's reaction. And please click that like button right now. Now that the car was almost complete, it was time to clean it. So we clear the seats, and also the carpet. And to complete the look of the car, we also painted the airbags. So today I'm gonna bring the Audi 3 to a tire shop to do an alignment and put a new set of tire. Don't waste more time and let's go. So after picking up the car, I proceed to install the mirror, and then it was time to start installing some modifications. I have ordered some LED plate light, so now I'm gonna install them. So a couple of minutes later, hi guys, this is the result. So then it was time for the door, so I reinstalled the wire loom, all the pieces from the old door. And then I proceed with a little upgrade to the radio. And as you can see, it works very well. Then, to complete the exterior, I install some LED bulb. And this is so much different a single bulb can do. Then I also upgraded the interior with some LED bulb. And at the end, to complete the look of the car, I also install the backup lights. Then I had another issue to solve before putting the car on the road. But first I want you to click that subscribe button if you haven't already done it. Please.
Okay, so now I'm gonna try remove these seats and see why the float doesn't work. So as you can see, here it is where it snaps. I bought a brand new one, a brand old one, I don't know how. Oh.
Passa mezzo minuto block.
Okay, so I have jump started the car. Today is the day. Now I'm gonna go change the glass right here.
Then I assembled the fog lights.
Li fai lo gli Audi?
And to complete the look of the car, I polish it. And I assembled the archline, which was missing.
Okay guys, as you can see, the car is all polished and clean. The car is complete. So today it's a sunny day and it's time to reveal the car to my father. Look at that, how shiny it is. So it's time.
And guys, this is my father's reaction. I know it's not the best one, but it's genuine, and I think this is what matters.
Ma quando mai? Vedi già il paraurti, metti i paraurti e fianchetto il lato di là, o paraurti e cofano.
Okay guys, so we are at the end of this journey. I hope you had enjoyed this video. These are the expenses so far. So to the money of the last time, we had to add the paint gun, the paint, the sandpaper, the diesel pump, the LED bulb, the arch light, the windscreen, a set of tires, an alignment, and I haven't recorded it, but I took the chair to be uploaded. So it brings the total cost. I have now the calculator in my hands to moment of silence, to 8,468 euro. I think it is a reasonable amount of money to repair a car. compared to what a proper shop would take to do, I think it is reasonable. So I hope you had enjoyed this video, and see you the next week, I think, with another video. I don't know if I gonna have something to upload. See you guys.